Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Professor Asif Shokat, your teacher. Today we have to learn about methods of preparation of benzene. I know most of you were desperately waiting for this topic. Finally, Alhamdulillah, we have covered all topics before this benzene. Today we have to focus on the technique. Although there are other few methods as well for the preparation of benzene, but we have to work up to the examination point of view. What is the exam's requirement? You have to keep it in your mind. Students, this is the first most time in your life that you will come across with this compound benzene. Let me discuss first basics of benzene. C6H6 is the chemical formula of benzene. Its structure is six-membered carbon ring in which system of conjugate bonding exists, each carbon bonded with one hydrogen. System of conjugate bonding is this one: double bond, then single, then again double, single, then again double. In this way, double and single bonds are being made. This structure is equivalent to another structure of benzene in which conjugate bonding is present at different position. You can observe easily that double bond in this shape is there. Look at this position. There was a only single bond, but now it is double, single, then double, single, then double. Means these both structures are equivalent. Actually, there is a philosophy of scientists that these double bonds are due to delocalized electron. Delocalized matlab their position is not fixed, mean they are continuously moving. About the moving of these pi electrons, few scientists suggest that the movement is like click, then back click. If this structure moves rotation, it is being observed. If it moves back, it would be observed. And few scientists consider it in this way, that this movement is either continuously in clockwise or continuously anti-clockwise. So that's why for benzene we have made a most simplified structure. This one, it is simple hexagonal ring and there is a circle. This structure is also representing a benzene. In a chemical reaction, you can draw any one structure among these three, but be careful about this one because it's most simplified form. You have to remember now, every corner of this hexagon contains one carbon and one hydrogen. If you will keep it in your mind, then it's okay, you can use this. Otherwise, use any one structure among these. Mean delocalization of electron is there and we cannot fix the position of double bond. Let us start now. Preparation of benzene from N-hexane. Students, do remember conditions for both are same, either from N-hexane or from N-heptane. These are the possible conditions, suitable condition under which benzene can be prepared either from hexane or heptane. There is N. N means normal. Normal means straight carbon chain. Straight carbon chain of hex. Hex mean 6 carbon. ANE mean single covalent bond exists there. So I'm just writing the molecular formula for the N-hexane, not the long chain structure. You can make it by yourself. Either you can only write this C6 and H40. What happens under this condition? First, this N-hexane converts into cyclohexane. Cyclohexane mean ring structure is there. CH2, CH2 and CH2. And then in second stage, each carbon removes one hydrogen from each side. For this formation, removal of one H2 exists. For this conversion, removal of 3 H2 exists. What are the conditions? Conditions are same. Just see the way I drawn benzene structure. It is the most simplified form, but along with this hexagonal ring, I have shown conjugate bonding. You can show ring, you can show conjugate bonding, it's up to you. Now from N-heptane, hept means 7, N mean normal. What is normal? Means 7 carbons are present in a straight chain structure. It's not a ring. C7, H16, under such condition, first converts into ring-like structure with CH3. This ring-like structure is just like to this one, means each carbon contains 2 hydrogen. Each carbon contains 2 hydrogen. I'm not drawing any conjugate bonding here. If conjugate bonding comes, then each carbon will have only 1 hydrogen. There is no conjugate bonding. It means each carbon has 2 hydrogens. It happens with the removal of 1 molecule of hydrogen gas. In second step, further removal of 3 hydrogen molecule takes place, and you will get benzene along with the formation of CH4. Why CH4? Because 6 carbons are part of benzene ring and 7th one will make CH4, methane gas. It is benzene which is our desired product. It is methane, it is byproduct. What is byproduct? A product which obtained along with our desired product is byproduct, which is useful to us, which is beneficial for us. The third one is from phenol. Phenol. Students, remember the structure of phenol. It is a benzene ring along with OH. Zinc dust is used to remove oxygen. It will produce benzene ring along with zinc oxide. You can identify this reaction as a reduction. Why reduction? Because removal of oxygen takes place. This oxygen is being replaced due to zinc dust. Removal of oxygen is reduction. Now from toluene. What is toluene? Toluene is actually methylated benzene. Learn the language in which I am calling the substance methylated benzene. Methylated benzene, CH3 with benzene, is toluene. Methyl benzene is commonly known as toluene. If you make a good reaction between this along with CH3 COO Na, or sorry, beside of this, instead of this we can use NaOH. It would be more convenient for you. Why? Because if you remember, preparation of methane gas was just similar to it. There was sodium acetate. Instead of this we used NaOH. What is the main function of NaOH? NaOH can join at this stage. This hydrogen is given to this ring, and NaO can be the part of this CH3. So that's how benzene along with CH3 NaO is being produced. Okay, one another reaction is coming into my mind, that is, if you take benzoic acid, this one is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is COOH, and you use NaOH. It is similar to this one. NaOH, COOH, this hydrogen comes to it. It would be what? NaCO. So otherwise you can have COO and A. Yes, it would be more better. It is sodium benzoate. What is this? I'm just writing the name. Sodium benzoate. This one. Sodium benzoate, when reacts with NaOH, it will produce in this way. These both will join to make Na2CO3, and the main product is benzene. This is your benzene along with Na2CO3. Students, I suggest you to ignore this reaction. This reaction is more better and easy, which is quite similar to the preparation of methane as well. In methane, instead of this compound there was sodium acetate, but NaOH was the same product. Come to the final and the last method of preparation of acetylene. Acetylene is what? Acetylene is C2H2. It is ethine. Common name of ethine is acetylene gas. When three molecules of ethine or acetylene polymerize, they will make benzene. What is polymerization? The process in which smaller molecule combine to produce large molecule. Its mechanism can easily be understood. That's all about the preparation of benzene. Students, once again I'm telling you, among these both reactions, you just ignore this one, you just focus on this. I think it's more convenient and better for you. Thank you very much. At the end, I request you again, please share this video on Facebook, Instagram, and like it on my YouTube channel. Thank you, goodbye.